Beyonce or Lemonade album?
Beyonce.
Formation or Single Ladies?
Formation.
Surprise album or surprise baby?
Surprise album.
Beyonce or Sasha Fierce?
Beyonce.
Telephone or video phone?
Video phone.
Drunk in Love or Deja Vu?
Deja vu.
Listen or Halo?
Listen.
Good choices.
That was a hard one.
Those are my choices, so that was good. That was good.
Thanks, sis.
Feeling Myself or Flawless?
Feeling myself.
Ooh. Love on Top or Alien Superstar?
Alien superstar.
Yeah, that one's a banger, isn't it? Alien Superstar. That's what we're going.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Run the World or Church Girl?
Church girl.
End of Time or Move?
Move.
You're getting bullied.
Countdown or Thick?
Countdown.
Oh, you said Thick!
Yeah, I say thick, yeah.